Alright, out here walking roaming. It's just a tad rainy. A little bit cold. And we see some dogs running loose in the neighborhood. Oh, they're going on other people's yards and chasing their animals off. These dogs do not belong up there. Oh, there's a little bit of snow. I need to get somewhere before the dogs come this way, because I don't recognize them. Come on, Roman, we're gonna have to go home. There's no loose animals in the neighborhood anymore. Luckily, we're close to home. I can just get him to come on before they come this way. Come on, Roman, come on. We'll go around the back way because they're coming this way. No, come on. Come on. Come on. Ready to go inside now, ain't you? Woo! You go get me out of this. Nobody coming to the door for you? How you getting in there? There they come. We got caught in the hell.
It's
Yeah, get out there and let it hit you in the face. It hurts. Yeah.